What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie's Happiness and Retirement channel coming at you. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect sunny side or runny egg. I like my eggs so that when I put the egg on top of like a sausage, egg, and cheese and you bite into it, the yolk runs all over it. It's so yummy. But I'm going to show you how to make the perfect egg in a cast iron pan. And there's one secret. You got to wait a little bit toward the end. There's one secret that just tops it off and makes it the perfect egg. All right, let's get to it. All right, so the first thing you do is you get that cast iron pan piping hot. You put some olive oil in there, and when it starts to smoke a little, you crack your egg. Put your egg down like you normally would. Boom, there you go. Let that baby cook a little bit. I'm gonna let it cook a couple minutes. All right, now, so that egg's been cooking a little bit. You can see it's still got some ooey gooey around it, which I don't like. I like all the slime to be off of it. But I still like the yolk to be yellow and runny when I crack it. So here's the secret I was telling you about. You take your cast iron lid, you put a little water in, and you basically steam that egg for a little bit until that baby gets perfect. Now just bear with me and watch this. When I take the lid off, it's going to be absolutely perfect. We'll just let it steam. See that steam rising? That means it's cooking inside. And it's not frying it. If you leave it on there, I find that the bottom of the egg gets fried too much. But this steam trick works great, man. And shout out to my girlfriend who showed me this like a couple of years ago. But so once that steam is done, take the lid off and look at that. Perfect egg. It just got a little bit of wiggle in it. That is perfect, people. See that? Absolutely perfect. Well, I'm making me a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. I'm gonna put my cheese on top here, let it melt. But that, my friends, is the perfect egg. Peace out. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Thanks so much.